Hello student, good morning. Now you solve the remaining question of exercise 3.2. Student, I hope you are watching your solution of exercise 3.2 regularly, and today I am going to start from question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Obtain the solution graphically. Student, see first part. First part is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. On comparing, you confirm it consistent or inconsistent. Student, a1 is equal to the coefficient of x in first equation 1, b1 equal to the coefficient of y in first equation is 1, and constant c1 equal to 5. Okay. Now in second equation, coefficient of x is a2 2, coefficient of y in second equation b2 2, and c2 equal to 10. Student, find a1 upon a2 equal to 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 upon 2, c1 upon c2 equal to 5 upon 10. You simplify it. Cut 5 1 5, 5 2 10. Now student, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. These three, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2 are equal. In such case, you used to write infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Student, we can say that it's consistent also. If the conditions you are finding a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2 means these two equations have infinitely many solutions, and according to condition we can say that the linear equations are consistent. These two linear equations are consistent also. In the case of a1 upon a2, you see, in case of a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, and A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. You can write consistent. In this case unique solution, and in this case infinitely many solutions. In both cases the linear equations are consistent. Okay, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Okay, now solve graphically. Okay, to solve graphically, you take 2 points of each. As x plus y is equal to 5, this is implies x is equal to 5 minus y. Then you make a box and find x, y. You see only 2 points there is need to find, no more. Now put the value of y here. Put the value of y here, 5. Put the value of y, 5. Then after putting the value 5, 5 minus 5 is equal to x is 0. Student, you put the value of 5 as 6 or 7. Put the value of y here, 7. Then 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 will minus 2. Okay, then your points will be minus 2, 7 and 0, 5. Now second point is there, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then 2x, 2 is common. 2 is common. Then x plus y is equal to 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 10. Then x plus y is equal to 5. Dividing 10 by 2, 5. And you can write x is equal to 5 minus y like first. Then again you put here, after making a box, x and y. You put here value of y is 6. Value of y is 6. Then 5 minus 6 minus 1. Value of x is 8. Then value of y is 8. Then value of x is 5 minus 8 minus 3. Your coordinates is there, x, y, minus 1, 6 and minus 3, 8. Now you make a graph. Student, I am going to plot with our idea concept. You see, this is x-axis. This is x-axis. X. Suppose that this is x, O, x dash and y, O, y dash. Okay, now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Now there are 2 points. What points is there? You see, points for first line. Point for first line. Points for first line. x plus y is equal to 5. Minus 2705. Minus 27 and 05. And points for second line. Point for second line. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Also minus 16 and minus 18. The value will be depend upon you. You can obtain the value according to your putting value in x and y. Okay, so it does not matter then whatever value I have find out that is accurate. You can find out another value also. Okay, you see first line minus 2 7, minus 2 and 7, you see minus 2 and 7 here, minus 2 and 7. First point 05. The 0 value of x is 0, means it will be on y axis. Then here will be a value of x on y axis 0 and value of y is 5. So that will be here 0 5. Now you join this point. You join these 2 points. Okay. These 2 points. Suppose that A and B. Now you see these 2 lines minus 1 6. So minus 1 6, minus 1 is here and 6 is plus, that will be here also. So minus 1 and 6 here will be there. Minus 1 and 6. This point is there in this side. Minus 1 is here. And minus 1 8. Minus 1 8 is all. So that will be here. So minus 1 and 8. You join these 2 points. This C and D. So that will be, you join here. Okay. Now this line first line and this is second line. So like this you will draw your own graph of the second part. Okay. Okay student. Now see question number 2. Second part. Second part is x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. Now comparing, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to 8, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to 16. You see a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 3, minus minus cancel 1 upon 3, and c1 upon c2 is equal to 8 upon 16. That will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. c1 upon c2. a1 upon a2 1 by 3, b1 upon b2 1 by 3, but c1 upon c2 is 1 by 2. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Then in such case there will be no solution. And show linear equations, linear equations are inconsistent. Student, inconsistent, because these 2 lines will have no solution. These 2 lines will have no solution because condition is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon 2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So in this case you can write linear equations are inconsistent. These equations are inconsistent. Okay student. And you do the graph when when the equations are consistent. So in this case, no need to plot a graph also. Okay. Now third part, you see third part, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 4x minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2 is equal to 4. Now find a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 6, and here a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to minus 2, and c1 is equal to 4. Find a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 4, 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2 is equal to 1 upon minus 2, 1 upon minus 2, and c1 upon c2 is equal to 6 upon 4. 2 to the 6, 2 to the 4. Student, a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 2. a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 2 and not equal to a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. In such case, linear equations are consistent. Okay, so you solve the graph like this. You draw the graph like first part. Now fourth, 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 2 first, and 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y equal to 5. Now a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 2, c1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to 5. Now you see a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 minus 2 upon minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Now c1 upon c2 is equal to 2 upon 5. So a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 1 by 2. But not equal to c1 upon c2. So linear equations are inconsistent. In such case, no solution. Okay, then linear equations, this and this, will be inconsistent. If no solution is there, condition is there, this a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then we can write no solution and linear equations are inconsistent. So there is no need to draw graph. Okay, student, so you have complete your question number 4. Thank you.